If your Instagram app is not updated to the latest version and you're not getting the new features that Instagram release, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. Open Instagram and tap right here in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner and then open settings and privacy at the very top right here. Once you open settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on log out all accounts. So basically log out for all of your accounts on Instagram. And after that, quit and go ahead and uninstall the Instagram app completely from your device. After uninstalling it, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and install it again. So search for Instagram, open it, and make sure to install it again. Once you install it again this time, you should find the problem fixed and you can find the new features just like that. If that doesn't fix the problem, go back to Play Store, scroll down, and tap on About This App. Scroll all the way down and find the version right here and remember it. Once you do that, go ahead and open your browser and search for Instagram latest version and find the version right here and make sure it is the same version you see on your Play Store. If it's not the same, wait for the one to load up in your Play Store and install it from there. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.